You guys, today is the 13th of May 2026, and I just got into this short position on GBPJPY with my strategy, the 80-day precision. But it's based on the simple concept of pullback continuation. You understand? When I'm trying to catch a bullish movement, let me explain it briefly. Whenever I'm trying to catch a bullish movement, I wait for price. If here is the resistance, I wait for price to break across the resistance, come back to retest it as support, then I'll look for a continuation entry to the upside. Same as the inverse, trying to catch a bearish movement, is the same thing. I wait for price to break a support level, retest it as resistance, and I'll look for a continuation entry to the downside. So that's just the basic concept of the strategy. So as you can see, there have been different resistance, like different support level here. So price broke across this support level one, and I think another one too. It broke across it, came back to retest it. It rejected it multiple times, but it took out all the sellers here, but that took the short position, came back down, created a lower high. You understand? Created a lower high. So price closed across 50 EMA on the 15 minute and 30 minute time frame. So I took my sell position. You understand? What made me validate this level? Number one, the 50 EMA aligned on the 1 hour time frame, on the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes. You understand? The 50 EMA aligned there perfectly. So I look at that level as a perfect level to get a short position from. You understand? And another confluence I use to validate this level, my Fibonacci, it aligns with my Fibonacci pullback levels drawn from point A to point B, mark it, from point A to point B. Understand? So I drew my Fibonacci from point A to point B, and price aligned perfectly at this point at the 50 pullback level at 8.20. These are valid pullback levels. Understand? Then my take profit, I set it to minus 61.80 Fibonacci extension because it also aligned on the on a on a nice level, like on a good level. Look at this level, aligned there properly. So anything that makes price go below here is going to, like, it's higher chance of price retesting this level as it retested previously on the 30th of April and also on the 6th of May. So we might be expecting similar movement happening. My stop loss set behind structure, that's invalidation point. If you look at my stop loss here, this invalidation point, anything that make price go across it or take me out, the whole move, the whole sell position is invalidated. You understand? So that's just the concept of this, just the basic concept of this strategy and why I got into this trade. So let's see how the market unfolds. I'll update you guys on the next. Yo guys, current update on this trade. Price refused to break this point, this level here, and it rejected it multiple times, creating like a W pattern, like, which indicates reversal. So I had to like close the trade because it's not looking like it's going to reverse anytime soon. It might go and take out this, might stop and maybe reverse. But either way, I followed my rules, and immediately after 8 p.m. GMT, if price hasn't gone across the zero, as this Fibonacci extension, like this, price hasn't gone across this level here at this 0.00, price hasn't gone across it, and it's 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. GMT, I have to close the trade because from my data it's not going to, like, the chances of the trade working has reduced to like from 5 to 0. Like the probability is just low. So I just cut my losses short. Hopefully, let's see how the market unfolds tomorrow. If I can get another opportunity to trade again. But for now, the market is not even showing a clear direction of where it's going to. I just have to take the loss. Although the RR it gives, it was just 1.4. So I didn't even gave me 1 to 2. I would have even maybe closed the trade in profit if it, because it would have followed my plan. But I don't take 1 to 1 trades. So it is what it is on this setup. Lost close the trade with minus $139. So that's all for today. Hopefully, let's see how the market unfold this week. Let's see if we can get more setups. Peace out.